Awesome!
Intelligence.
Welcome to TEQ ON, your tech zone, anytime. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Samsung Galaxy A series phones of 2025. From value champs to powerhouse flagships, we've got the full lineup for every kind of user. Whether you're after budget brilliance or premium power without the flagship price, this list has something just for you. Let's kick things off at number 5 with the Galaxy A06 5G, the ultra-budget 5G phone. Right away, you'll notice the 6.7-inch PLS LCD screen, delivering a smooth 90 Hz scroll experience, rare in this price bracket. Despite being slim at just 8 millimeters, it packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, meaning you get all-day use and quick top-ups. Inside is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, which handles daily tasks and light gaming efficiently. Then there's the 50 megapixels main camera paired with a 2 megapixels depth sensor plus 8 megapixels selfie front camera, which captures decent shots in good lighting. Not flagship quality, but solid for casual photography. Samsung even includes IP54 dust splash resistance, a side fingerprint reader, and Knox Vault security for privacy peace of mind. Best of all, this model gets 4 OS updates and 4 years of security patches, so it won't feel outdated fast. Sliding into spot number 4 is the Galaxy A16 5G, the next step up in performance and polish. With its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, it brings vibrant visuals and up to 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and video content smoother and sharper than the A06's LCD. This model is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 processor, or Dimensity 6300 in some markets, offering a noticeable boost in everyday multitasking and fluidity, just enough to reduce stutters and loading pauses. It also steps up the camera game with a 50MP main sensor plus 5MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro lenses at the back, not forgetting the 13MP selfie front camera, delivering better versatility for snapping wide family shots or close-ups, all while still staying under budget. Keeping its class-leading edge, the A16 features a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast-charging IP54 splash resistance, a microSD slot, and, remarkably, 6 years of OS updates, raising the bar for what you get in this price range. So it's not just a spec bump, it's a smarter phone for longer, smoother performance and better future-proofing. Coming in at number 3 is the Galaxy A26 5G. Samsung's mid-budget powerhouse that packs more premium into its price tag. It makes a strong first impression with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, boasting a buttery 120 Hz refresh rate and crisp FHD Plus visuals. Thinner bezels and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus give it a more refined look. Under the hood sits the Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with 4 to 8 GB of RAM, comparable to the A36 in efficiency, but with smoother day-to-day performance thanks to Samsung optimization. The 50 megapixels OIS main camera, plus 8 megapixels ultra-wide and 2 megapixels macro lenses deliver sharp, versatile shots. And you get a trusty 13-megapixel selfie cam for social-ready face shots. For battery endurance, a 5,000 mAh cell and 25 fast charging keep you going all day. With Quick Share, Samsung Wallet, and Knox Vault security, rounding out the experience. Plus, it's built to last, boasting IP67 water/dust resistance, a sleek glass back, microSD expansion, 6 OS upgrades, and 6 years of security patches. A rare find in this tier. So if you're looking for a great mid-range phone that punches above its weight, the A26 5G holds its own beautifully. Stepping into the silver tier at number 2, before our top pick, is the Galaxy A36 5G, Samsung's stylish mid-range contender. It's got a sleek glass sandwich build with Gorilla Glass Victus front and back and an IP67 rating, giving it a premium water-resistant feel you wouldn't expect at its price. The centerpiece? A 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a crisp 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits brightness, perfect for vibrant outdoor viewing and catching video highlights. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 6G N3 processor, paired with 6 to 12 gigabytes of RAM and Samsung's vapor chamber cooling. That translates to smooth app performance and comfortable gaming, though benchmarks show it trails its predecessor a touch in frame pacing. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel OIS main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro, with a 12-megapixel selfie shooter enhanced by video HDR, all packed into an updated Z Fold 6-inspired camera island. Battery life is solid, thanks to a 5,000 mAh cell and 45-watt fast charging, ensuring you go from 0 to 50% in roughly 30 minutes, ideal for on-the-go users. And yes, it also gets 6 years of OS and security updates, Samsung's One UI 7, and the new awesome intelligence AI tools, circle to search, object eraser, filters, all baked into the experience. That said, real-world reviews like Wired caution it's not without flaws. The in-display fingerprint scanner can feel a bit slow, and colors may appear subtly washed out in very bright settings. Despite minor stutters, it delivers a nearly flagship-level experience for around $400. So at this point, you're looking at a near-premium experience, great display, sturdy build, and long-term support. But the true standout is still to come. Let's take a look at the number 1 pick. Now let's unveil the crown of the series. Galaxy A56 5G, our number 1 pick for 2025. This sleek beauty packs a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a staggering 1200 nits sustained brightness, spiking up to 1900 nits in bright sunlight for unbeatable visibility. Inside is Samsung's powerful 4-nanometer Exynos 1580 chipset with up to 12 gigabytes RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. In benchmarks, it's praised as a hell of a mid-range chip, delivering responsive multitasking, smooth gaming, and excellent handling for today's apps. Photography gets a pro touch with the 50-megapixel OIS main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, backed by a 12-megapixel front camera with Super HDR video. This setup handles day-to-night snaps with ease, but it's the awesome intelligence suite that sets it apart. Circle to search, object eraser, auto trim, best face. You get Google-powered search and real-time edits right in your camera. Durability? Check. The A56 sports an IP67 rating, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and a slim metal frame at just 7.4mm thin and 198 grams, making it sturdy yet sleek. Power users will appreciate the 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, giving you nearly 29 hours of video playback on a full tank. And unlike many mid-range phones, this one gets 6 years of Android updates and security patches, a rare longevity promise. TechRadar's verdict: while some high-end flagships still push brighter displays, The peak brightness bump from 1,200 to 1,900 nits in sunlight gives the A56 a noticeable edge over its predecessor, A55. So if you're after flagship-level features, blazing bright display, AI-powered camera tools, long-term software support, all without the S-series price tag, the Galaxy A56 5G is your champion. That wraps up our countdown of the best Galaxy A-series phones of the year. Which one's your pick? Drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to TEQ ON for more fresh tech content. Anytime.